Good afternoon. Welcome to day one of Vlogmas. I'm so excited. It is November 30th. We always start a day early. This is my lovely husband. Who's making me clean the living room because we're finna get Christmassy. And I'm so excited. Are you excited?
I don't want to do that.
Are you excited?
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna sweep and mop, I'm sure is what you want me to do.
Let me get all this figured out.
Okay, we're gonna.
All this gotta go.
Okay, get all that figured out. And the Christmas tree is going over here in this corner. So you have to get rid of, like, our little nightstand, day stand thing. And then we'll get to. Oh, my son's gonna be so excited. Aiden's gonna be so lit. He's so excited to decorate the Christmas tree. So, yeah, let's get started. Let's clean up some stuff. And then, yes. So, Dad, can you explain to us this tactic or strategy you're using for putting up the Christmas tree?
Yeah, try to keep as much green crap off the floor as possible. I do it over the bag.
Okay. So you do it over the bag, and you're not just gonna do it layer by layer, kind of like a cake. So you're doing it over the bag, and you're doing it like layer by layer, like a cake.
Yeah. You pull all this stuff out at the same time, you're never gonna get it. You're never gonna get it. You're gonna have H's in your hand when you're looking for the I's. You're gonna have the A's when you're looking for the B's. Let's just keep it simple.
Keep it classy, keep it cute.
Who's that?
Right.
Who's classy and or cute? That's not me.
That's not you. You're not classy or cute.
No.
Right. Well, we'll catch back up with you, Dad, see how your progress is going. Alright, so tree and timer is done. So what we're going to be doing now, it's time to get Aiden from school. I'm going to get Aiden from school, go to the Walmart and grab a couple of tree trimming items. And we will trim the tree to bring it on in. I'm so excited. So I'll see you back here once I'm done getting the stuff. Okay, we're back from the store. The kids are so excited, so I'll show you what I got from the Walmart. Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Friends, hello everybody! Look, I got Kinder Egg supplies.
Okay, good. Alright, so for the adults, it's not alcohol. There's a little sparkling peach cider. And then I got the boys some Grinch shirts. Kalisha of the Quirky Monday Craft Cast loves the Grinch, so we always do something Grinch-like in her honor. So I got the boys these shirts, and then we're gonna decorate a cookie. So place cookie dough. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna decorate cookies. And decorate the tree, of course. And you know I couldn't leave out of there without a holiday moo-moo. Look, it's got little snowmen on it. So I was able to stay in a good price range. So yeah, let us go ahead. I'm going to get Aiden's homework done, and we're going to go ahead and eat dinner so that way we can do all the fun stuff. So let's go. Alright guys, so it's a little bit later. Apparently I have to get more new ornaments because beautiful critters got to ours. So tree is only half done, so I won't show that to you yet. But now that the children are asleep, I want to open their advent calendars. I pray you don't focus on a ghost behind me. Okay, let's open this. See, because why? I feel like they all move in the right. Oh, this is actually really cute. Oh, I think they're gonna love this. Okay. So here's what it looks like. We got the Super Mario Brother advent calendars this year. So we're gonna try to display them over here so that way when it's time they can just, you know, do their thuggy thizzles. But yeah, so I'm trying to decide if I really want to start like just with a fresh mind tomorrow on my test knit, aka my Christmas sweater, or not. Yeah. Well, Joe, there's the rain. Ain't that correct? So, you know what? If we don't start it today, maybe we'll at least cake it up. That'll probably bring me some joy. Because I'm really upset about those ornaments. I really am. But yeah, so let's cake up some yarn and maybe swatch. Maybe at least that, you know? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, and after an eternity later, we are here. We're all caked up. I don't see how people love having like more than a couple of whips, or even love starting new projects. Like literally the process of like using my brain to cake up things and like start something new is like, girl, I'm so over it. But here we are. So I want to talk about my specs, and then we're gonna call this day one a wraps, because I also need to film the intro. So I am test knitting for Andrea Galgan. I feel like that's kind of right, maybe. It is called the Front Porch Pullover. When I saw this, it screamed me. Let me turn this down some. This is what it looks like. Maybe turn it down all the way. Oh, okay. Yeah, there we go. So that's what it looks like. It's going to be a paid for DK weight pattern. And being a part of the group, some people have already finished theirs. Like this test knit started like in October. And it's due in January. So I figured making this not only my project for Vlogmas, but my Christmas project was perfect because it'll be done before January. It's DK weight. Usually they recommend a mohair, so you do a mohair and fingering held double or whatever. I don't like mohair, I'm sorry, so we're just gonna do DK weight. I may do, I don't mind a cropped size. We'll see how I feel. We'll see how much yarn is left. We'll play with that. Don't mind that. So yeah, so the yarn that I'm using is from, I won it in a game of Bubba Bingo with the Fiber Hustle, and it is Fiber Optic Yarns by Kimber Baldwin Designs. Oh, well, I guess I'm using Sport Weight. This is her Sport Weight, which Sport and DK are kind of interchangeable to me personally. So her DK / Sport Weight, 70% superwash merino, 20% cashmere, 10% silk. So I have 5 skeins of this green color. It's called Green Curry. And we're definitely gonna need a yarn condom because this caking process was brutal. So some of these are not pretty. I should have grabbed my yarn condoms so I could show you which ones I'm using, but it's okay. And then this colorway is called, hold on, Garnet. And it just screams Christmas. So a lot of people, well, not a lot of people, but a few people I've seen in the test group have been using like scraps and stuff, which is super cute. For mine, I'm going to go with kind of like a striped look. It's not going to stripe all the way. I just want this color across the chest and then maybe some stripes on the arms. But that's all I want with this color, but the rest is going to be green. I have 5 skeins of the green and 1 skein of this, and I guess judging by how I feel, we'll see if I do like the collar this color or something like that. But I think just having this in the middle and then everything else just green, that's more so where I'm leaning. I'm going to be housing this beautiful project in my Stitching the High Notes Christmas bag. I think this is, yes, the 12 Days of Christmas, that song. I can't see if you can see, but I feel like you can see. But as you can see, like different parts, there's like Maids a Milking, Lords a Leaping, Ladies Dancing, you know, those things. So this is where the project is going to live. Inside of here, I do have a few notions. So I have these colored split ring markers that Willie of Willy Nilly Knits gave me. I also have my needle minder in case I get brave and I want to use it, but I'm not sure. It's definitely giving I will have a second bag for on the go, and then everything lives in here. I also have some shea butter from Willy Nilly, and I bought this at my not so local yarn store, Knit Birmingham, and it's a tape measure. Thank you. I'm not sure what the pattern calls for as far as needles are concerned. I can look at it. I'm more than likely going to use, I don't know. Uh-oh, come back. Thank you. I'm indecisive. I'm in between using my Chiaogus or my Chiaogus or my Knitter's Pride. I've been really in love with my Knitter's Pride set, just because of how versatile it is, but I feel like my Chiaogus set has better variety of like lengths of cords, just based on the way that the pattern is set up. Don't know if I can tell you that much, but I mean, you'll watch it grow all throughout Vlogmas. So yeah, I think we made a decision. We're gonna go with our Chiaogu interchangeable set, and I do have things that'll help me along the way with that. My notions pouch right here is from Naughty Knitting Sacks. You can use code SUPERKNITTER15 for 15% off. And you know, I'll let you be surprised of why it's called Naughty Knitting Sacks. I don't feel like flashing you right now. I feel like we have to become friends. Like maybe that's like a day 2 or 3 type Vlogmas thing of me flashing you my Naughty Knitting Sacks. But yeah, so we are all good to go. I'm probably going to print out the pattern because I'm testing, so I prefer to have a paper pattern so that I can write down my notes and everything like that. And then I use this app called Knit and Notes, I believe is what it's called. I want to find it. Knit and Note. I use that to keep track of everything that I'm working on, or that's all I've been using for 2023, and I think it's the cutest little app. It's let me know that I have completed 24 projects. So this will also be my last cast on of 2023. So I in total have this project and one more project that I've cast on in 2023. So my goal is to get this done rather quickly, and then finish my last one and be done with every project I cast on in 2023. So yeah, I think that's it. Vlogmas is gonna be awesome, and I hope you stick around. I'll go ahead and end this one here. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope that you join the family, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and we will see you tomorrow for day 2. Bye.